cities. Uh, the, the company was established in 1996, and we have more than 5,000 customers. And these customers are in many sectors, starting from water resources, forest department, smart cities, urban organizations, municipal corporations, organizations like HMDA in Hyderabad, INCOIS, NRSC, and many other Department of Space entities. Then about 800 educational institutes use our technology in the country. And in private sector also we have leading telecommunication companies and many manufacturing organizations who use our software. So that's the presence esri India has in the country. Our main office is in Noida near Delhi, but many offices all across the country. We have about 500 people in the company in India. We had announced Indo-ArcGIS last year. This is our initiative under Make in India program. Indo-ArcGIS. It is coming there. That's how it is written. Indo-ArcGIS. So Indo-ArcGIS has three components. The first component is data products. In any GIS system, GIS is Geographical Information System. So any GIS requires a lot of geospatial data. So, and sometimes finding some common data, these data sets are available through what we call Living Atlas, which is hosted on a cloud. So that it's always available, it's easily accessible. If there are more people using it, cloud can scale up. So that's first component. Second component of Indo-ArcGIS is solution products. Many organizations, after acquiring technology, they have solution products for about 140 different applications. And this also goes free of cost with the software. And these solutions are for some very common areas like forest management, forest fire management, city asset management, locust, when locusts hit the agricultural fields, how to control that, a lot of disaster management applications, water utility applications, water distribution. So these are some of the common areas where we have created solution products, and these are also provided as a part of Indo-ArcGIS to customers. And these are all done by our team in India. We have made investment in this area. We have a lot of people working on this, and we have been continuously increasing the number of data layers and solution products. And the B2B software is a part of Indo-ArcGIS, and there are two versions of that. One is ArcGIS Pro, which is used on desktop computers, and then we have ArcGIS Enterprise, which is used on servers. So ArcGIS Pro has features of image processing using AI/ML techniques, and creating data and creating a lot of collaboration around it. And Enterprise helps in doing web-based applications which can be shared across the organizations and also outside the organizations. So these are the components of Indo-ArcGIS, and that's our Make in India offering. Now today we announced three things today. One is availability of ArcGIS Pro on a cloud kind of software. Now, by making it available on a cloud, when they're using cloud, they can pay as per their usage. And the cloud electronics and IT, and they are easy to launch, easy to install, and they can also use the data and the base map that we provide. So I spoke about the layers of data. They can use that through the cloud because we host those layers also on cloud, so it makes it very easy. So that's number one announcement. Number two announcement is making available Indo-ArcGIS Enterprise on a cloud hosted in India. So Enterprise is for organization-wide use of GIS. We have customers in the country where thousands of people are using this technology, and sometimes they want to share data with outside people who are outside their organization. A very simple example will be a municipal corporation. They share data about properties with property holders in their city. They send them they do the assessment for property tax, which is available online, and also they use GIS for that. If somebody is cutting a road to lay a pipe or a cable, they can apply for permission through a web-based interface, so that if you suddenly start digging the road, you may damage something else. But if you apply that, municipal corporation will let people know that there is another pipe at so and so place, and be careful and don't damage it. So those kind of benefits come from enterprise GIS. That these data layers are very, very popular with our users in India. I have accessing this data because we have data layers starting from village boundaries to all the way to international boundary. We have road network, we have rural road network, we have railway network on that, all the railway stations that with complete details of the railway station are available here, and we have data layers. When I say GIS infrastructure, there are at least three components or four components to that. One is the basic hardware on which this runs. Second is the GIS software layer, that's ArcGIS. Third component is the data which is being used for GIS applications. And the fourth component is either applications or the solution products that we are providing. So to manage all these, we have launched managed services offering for our customers here. So things like architectural design, backup and restore, disaster recovery if there is something going wrong with the infrastructure, auto scaling as the demand goes up, offering various reports, giving 24/7 monitoring service, and if people are using it on premise, which has been the model so far, and if they migrate to cloud, then we can provide that service also. So that's the third announcement which we made today. So basically that's all I had to share, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer. So there are looking at your first part of your question, which was about data integration. So our software ArcGIS, it's very easy to integrate all kind of data in this system. And I'll give you examples. So data, today we have data coming from IoT devices, so that can be easily integrated. We have data coming from various remote sensing technologies, whether it's satellite or drones or aerial aircraft flying and collecting data with that, so that can be integrated. Then there are other terminologies you might have heard, vector data and raster data, so those can be integrated. System. So system is designed like that because we know that customers have access to different kind of data and they will need to integrate.